Understanding the fragility of trust. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you learn and understand it better. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important phrase: trust can be fragile. Trust is a cornerstone in all kinds of relationships, but it's not always as sturdy as we might hope. So, let's break down this phrase and understand its deep meaning, implications, and how we can apply this understanding in our daily lives. Trust can be fragile is a phrase composed of three key words, each carrying significant weight. Let's look at them one by one. Trust is the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's what friendships, partnerships, and communities are built on. Can be indicates possibility. It means that what follows is not always the case but certainly can happen under certain conditions. Fragile means something that is easily broken or damaged. It implies delicacy and the need for careful handling. Put together, trust can be fragile suggests that trust, while essential, is not indestructible and can be easily damaged or broken by actions, words, or events. Trust is built on consistent actions, honesty, and integrity. However, it's fragile because it's built over time but can be broken in a moment. A single lie, act of betrayal, or broken promise can shatter trust that took years to establish. It involves vulnerability. When we trust, we open ourselves up to potential hurt, making the bond of trust delicate. Expectations play a huge role. Trust assumes that certain behaviors or actions will continue, and when those expectations are not met, trust can be compromised. Understanding the fragility of trust helps us appreciate the importance of nurturing and protecting it in our relationships. Once broken, can trust be repaired? Yes, but it's not easy. Here are some steps to rebuild trust. 1. Acknowledgement of the hurt caused. The first step is to acknowledge the wrong done and understand its impact on the other person. 2. Sincere apology. An honest apology can pave the way for healing. 3. Transparent communication. Open lines of communication are essential. Discuss feelings, fears, and hopes to rebuild understanding. 4. Consistent behavior. Actions speak louder than words. Demonstrate your commitment to rebuilding trust through consistent, trustworthy actions over time. Rebuilding trust is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, commitment, and effort from all parties involved. Trust can be fragile is a powerful phrase that reminds us of the value and vulnerability of trust in our relationships. It teaches us to handle our relationships with care, honesty, and respect. We hope this video has given you deeper insight into the meaning of trust and its importance in our lives. Remember, protecting and nurturing trust is key to building strong, lasting relationships. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.